What's its name? It doesn't have a name, right?
They don't really sell. They get big.
No, it's so cute.
No. We can special order any dog. So you know, so if you really research a great name, we can special order one for you.
Good eye, mate.
I wonder if you can talk like that.
Yes, because dogs talk.
I mean,
She said it.
what do I mean? Like
Look
talking to
at
other
it.
dogs.
Look at it, how cute it is. Australian Shepherd.
He doesn't look very happy though. Playing with us. Where's the lady?
Yeah, where is the lady? So many poopies. Look at this.
Is this a golden doodle?
Oh yeah, look, this is a Pikachu. It's a Pikachu. Hey, Pikachu. Yeah, it's a Pikachu. Pikachu. Oh, Peekaboo, or whatever.
They all look so cute. I want them. This one.
No, I want to play with this one.
The one that was barking?
Yeah, that was barking at me. Where are you? This one. You.
Okay, let's play that one.
It's a Pomeranian and a poodle.
Ask them if we can see it. Why are you coughing?
Bless you.
You're so cute. 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 Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Hang on, I'm sorry. You're so cute. I really want this pup. I really like this puppy. It's so